Hey, 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 the Caddyman here with a special, fabulous, wonderful recipe that is near and dear to Angie's mind's heart. It is homemade Russian dressing. Yep, it is special to me because this is a recipe that Angie's dad, Andy, used. He was a cook in his early days, and he loved to cook on the weekends and at night, and that was a good special pastime for him. And Angie and I, actually Angie, of course, took his recipe and, of course, tweaked it for us. But this is very good, and as you know, I'd had a heart attack, and Russian dressing is one of the ones that I'm supposed to use because the amount of sodium in it, because there isn't near as much. And as you know, I overindulge on everything, especially salad dressing. So here you go. You're going to start out with a half a cup of mayo. You know how I love mayo. I love saying that word too. Avocado oil, mayo is our specialty. If not avocado, then we go to olive oil. If we don't have those two, don't use it. Period. Just don't do it. You got to have that to cut down them calories, I'm telling you. Then we're going to go with a half a cup of chili sauce, or we're going to use cocktail sauce because then you don't have to add the horseradish to it. Okay, there you go. Pour that in. Make sure you get it all out of there. Do that. Okay, and then you spill it on your card. The next thing to do is add a tablespoon of pimentos. Back in the day, everybody used pimentos to cook with. So that's why there's pimentos in here, because the recipes back then, they used them. It was almost in everything, little pimentos. Besides, pimentos are good. Everybody's had a green olive, haven't they? Okay. A tablespoon of Worcestershire. Worcestershire. You know, it's one of those things that nobody really pronounces it the same. Stir that up. See how it's becoming very creamy? The color is turning more like a Russian dressing. Now my favorite, and I love to say this word, sweet paprika. Oh, I love paprika. There's all sorts of paprika, but this is the sweet one. Okay? Stir it up, stir it up. You know, you don't get to shake them up in this, but you sure get to stir them up. Okay, stir that up. You see how it's getting very creamy, very luscious looking. And then to top it off, 3 tablespoons of chopped chives. And all I'm going to do is stir this up. I don't know if you can see inside here, but it is fabulous. It is good. It is great. You got to get all those little chives off and get them in there so they can mix in. Okay. I want you to try this at home. Can't do it while you're driving anyway. Oh. Try this. You'll love it. Cuts down on the calories. Cuts down on the sodium. Much better for you. And as Andy Griff said, it's good. The last thing you got to throw in there, and even Andy did that. Love, 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 love. Everything's got love in it. Make this with love. Please try it. You'll love it. See me now, you hear? Bye now.